from Kalkstein Chiropractic, and today we're going to run through the Hip 7 series, which is a sequence of movements designed to target the hip abductors, so the glute medius, the glute minimus. Really great for anyone who's suffering with lower back pain, any radiating hip pain, and really any sort of lower extremity dysfunction. This is a great one to do. A lot of people stand to benefit from this movement pattern. So let's dive in and demonstrate these for you. Okay, so we're going to start in a side lying position here, hips and legs stacked. Okay. The first movement is going to be a straight leg raise. So we're leading with the heel, keeping the toes pointed down, and then return to start, about 12 inches off the ground. And I'm really important here to not hike the hip up towards the rib cage. So keep the spine long, maintain intra-abdominal pressure, and just move through that lower extremity. Okay, now for the second movement, we're going to have you lift the leg off the ground, keeping that heel up, toe down. And we're going to go into a little bit of hip flexion. So the leg comes forward about 12 inches and then return to start. Okay, without letting that leg drop to the ground. Alright, for the third movement, we're going to start with the leg slightly abducted, kind of like the previous one. And now we're going to hip extension. So the leg goes behind the body and then back to start. Same idea, toes down, heel up, spine nice and stable. Alright, so movement 4 combines the last two. So we're going to start with the leg slightly abducted, come into flexion first, and then back into extension in one smooth movement, back and forth. Toes are staying down. And really important with this one that you don't let the spine kind of extend or flex through the movement. Really keep the spine controlled and stable. Just move through that hip joint. So the next one in the sequence are the hip circles. So the leg stays straight. We slightly abduct. We're going to draw small circles with the leg. Go about 5 to 10 times in one direction and then switch and reverse that 5 to 10 times. Alright, so movement 7 of the Hip 7 series is the bicycle kick. So you're going to flex the hip, bend the knee, and then you're going to bicycle back and go into hip extension. Same idea as the previous ones, not letting the leg drop down, so keeping that slightly abducted off the ground. Hip should be burning by now, about 5 to 10 times in the bicycle movement. Thanks for tuning into the Hip 7 series today. Give these a try for yourselves and check out our Instagram for more posts. And thanks for watching.